Hey guys, this is Chloe with Bodyartforms, and today we're here to talk about ear weights. Ear weights are a popular type of jewelry for stretched lobes and come in a variety of unique styles. These styles can include hoops, clicker weights, shields, spade weights, keyhole weights, and coils. They also come in a variety of materials, everything from brass, steel, handmade glass, organic materials like stone and wood. Weights are largely decorative pieces, and while historically people have used them to stretch, they are not recommended as a meaning of stretching today. This is because a weight will not stretch your ears evenly, and instead concentrate that stretching towards the bottom of your lobe, causing the skin there to grow thin. When purchasing weights, consider what style and material is right for you. Clicker weights, shield and spade weights, and keyhole weights offer security and are less likely to fall out due to their snap closures or evenly weighted designs. Glass is a beautiful, low-reaction material that is good for sensitive skin, but do remember to insert and remove glass jewelry over carpet or a padded surface in case it drops during the process. Some jewelry has more of an asymmetrical design. These pieces are beautiful, but may be better suited for bare lobes rather than being worn through eyelets. This way, your lobe can better hug the jewelry and keep it in place. Also, when purchasing a pair of weights, always be aware of how big your lobes must be to insert the piece. While some weights have an insertion size smaller or equal to the wearable, others such as spade and shield weights may have a portion of the jewelry much larger than the wearable needed to be inserted. As their name implies, ear weights can be heavy. At their lightest, they can be around 5 grams and go upwards of 100 or even 200 grams for some exceptionally hefty ones. To give you an idea of how light or heavy any given piece might be, here are some comparisons. 1 US quarter weighs between 5.6 and 5.7 grams. 4 quarters is 22.7 grams, 7 quarters is 39.7 grams, and 10 quarters is around 56 to 57 grams. We know that can sound a little intimidating, but wearing those heavier styles can be done, and the key is patience and training your lobes. If you're brand new to wearing weights, start with something lighter and slowly move up to heavier ones as your ears adjust. Take them out when your ears get sore, and gradually you will be able to wear them for longer periods of time. Once you can wear them for about 8 to 10 hours without soreness, you're ready to move on to something heavier. Some weights can even be worn through eyelets, saddles, or even ear skins to help evenly distribute the weight and alleviate some of the pull on your lobes. When wearing ear weights, moderation is key. Make sure to take them out when your ears start to get sore, and have days throughout the week where you wear lighter plugs or eyelets instead. The reason is twofold. First, it's good to give your ears a rest. As we mentioned, weights can put uneven pressure on your lobes. Too heavy a weight worn for too long can thin the bottom part of your lobe. In extreme cases, this can hinder further stretching, and in very extreme cases, even cut off blood circulation. Secondly, because lighter weights are not likely to stretch your ears, your lobes could shrink a little over time. Rotate out weights with your size of plug or eyelets throughout the week to ensure you stay at your ideal size. As always, listen to your body. If anything hurts, stop and allow your lobes to heal. Just like stretching, being able to wear heavier weights takes time and patience, but it's worth it in the end. And we hope this was very informative and helpful. And as always, please remember to like and subscribe and follow our socials at Bodyartforms. Bye guys!